Top 5 fitness apps in 2026 for home workouts and health tracking. These are the apps changing the way people train and stay fit. From beginner routines to pro-level workouts, this list has everything you need to transform your fitness journey. At number 5, we've got Fitness and Bodybuilding, one of the most powerful workout apps with a 4.5-star rating and over 10 million installs. This isn't just a basic fitness tracker. It gives you preset workout plans for bodybuilding, strength training, muscle toning, and even powerlifting. Every exercise comes with clear instructions, high-quality images, and video guidance, so you never feel lost in the gym. You also get a smart training journal to track sets, reps, and weights, plus a built-in timer and calendar to stay consistent. What makes it stand out is how it adapts like a personal trainer in your pocket. It changes intensity, mixes up routines, and makes sure no muscle group gets ignored. Perfect for beginners or serious lifters. If you want real results at home or in the gym, this app might be your game changer. Would you try it or skip it? Number 4, we've got the powerful fitness app, Fitness Coach, Weight Loss. Rated an impressive 4.8 stars with over 280k reviews and more than 10 million downloads worldwide. This app is basically like having a personal trainer in your pocket. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or just stay active, it builds a custom workout plan just for you. No equipment? No problem. You can train right at home using simple bodyweight exercises. What makes it stand out is how flexible it is. You can do quick 2-minute fat-burning sessions or full workouts depending on your time. It also offers 100+ expert-designed workouts, including HIIT, stretching, and strength training. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced, it adjusts to your level with step-by-step guidance, animations, and video coaching so you never feel lost or confused. Plus, it tracks everything: calories burned, steps, water intake, and progress. Even syncing with Google Fit to keep your fitness journey on point. The best part? It's 30-day challenge plans that keep you motivated, consistent, and actually seeing results. At number 3, this is the Lose Weight app for women, rated 4.7 stars with over 100 million installs and 1 million+ reviews worldwide. This app is designed for real results without the gym. You get fast 2 to 7 minute workouts that burn fat like HIIT training. It targets your belly, arms, thighs, legs, and butt, basically full body transformation. And the best part? No equipment, no gym, just your body. Key features: why it stands out. It comes with a 30-day weight loss plan that guides you step by step. There are 4 difficulty levels, so beginners and advanced users can both use it. You also get workout reminders to stay consistent, calorie tracking with progress graphs, custom workout routines, Google Fit Sync for full tracking. People love it because it fits into any lifestyle. Even if you're busy, you can still squeeze in a quick workout and stay on track. It feels like having a personal fitness coach in your pocket 24/7. At number 2, we've got the Lose Weight app for men, one of the most powerful home fitness apps right now. Key features: with a 30-day fat loss plan, you only need 5 to 10 minutes daily. No gym, no equipment, just pure bodyweight workouts you can do anywhere. It comes with 3 difficulty levels, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, it adjusts to you. Plus, it targets stubborn areas like belly fat, chest fat, and love handles with focused workouts. You also get low-impact options to protect your joints, making it perfect even if you're overweight or just starting out. The app lets you customize routines, track calories burned, and follow progress charts. Every workout includes animations and video guidance, so you never feel lost. It has a 4.8 rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 100 million installs because it actually fits real lifestyles and delivers results at home. Number 1, we have Home Workout. No equipment, rated an incredible 4.8 stars with over 3 million reviews and more than 100 million installs worldwide. This isn't just another fitness app. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket. It gives you daily workout routines targeting abs, chest, arms, legs, and even full body fat burning sessions. No equipment? No problem. Every exercise uses just your body weight push-ups, squats, planks, crunches, jumping jacks, and more. And the best part? Every workout comes with clear animations and video guidance, so you always know the correct form. Plus, it includes warm-ups and stretching routines to keep your body safe and injury-free. Why it's so popular? Whether your goal is six-pack abs, weight loss, or muscle building, this app adapts to you. It tracks your progress, monitors your weight trends, and even lets you set workout reminders to stay consistent. Users love it because you can literally burn fat and build strength in just a few minutes a day. Anywhere, anytime. And that's the countdown. Now it's your move to choose the app that matches your fitness goals and take action today.